Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a flower basket. Yes, a flower basket. All you need is just a small container. Yeah, so to make a flower basket, you'll be requiring these materials. So first, before making our flower basket, I have already made a sample which is over here. So we need to make the same flower basket but even more better. So for that, first we will take our empty container which I had. I have taken its lid out, and the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to make its handle. Yeah, first we will make its handle and then we will cover it with glitter paper. So first, for making its handle, let me bring in some glitter paper. So I have this glitter paper over here from which I am going to make our flower basket. So first, to make its handle, we will turn this sheet around and we will mark a outline on how thick do we want our flower basket's handle to be. So I think the handle this long would be quite enough. So let's cut it now. So guys, now I have cut this strip for the handle of our flower basket, and now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to add a piece of paper on top of it on which we are going to stick all of our flowers like these. Now before sticking that, we will scuff some newspaper inside. So now let's crumble some newspaper balls and put them inside. So guys, now after putting some newspaper balls inside, the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to cover it with paper. So for that, I have already made this strip over here which I am going to cut in the circle shape, and it should not be perfect like the circle we have over here. It should be a little too big so that we can easily fold it and paste it over here like this. So first, now let's cut this and stick it on top over here. So now I have cut this over here, and now we are going to stick it on top of it. So first we will apply some glue on the edges over here and some glue on this newspaper balls as well. So it also gets stick from the middle, and if it does not stick properly, we can definitely tape it from the sides after sticking it. So first let's do that. So guys, now I have sticked it, and I have also applied some tape on the corners so that it sticks properly. Now the next step what are we going to do is we are going to take this strip and we are going to attach it and stick it over here like this. So first let's do that. So guys, now I have sticked this also, and if it's not sticking with Fevicol, the one thing that you can do is you can apply some masking tape and stick it properly. And just for being extra safe, I have also sticked it with Fevicol, and I'm also going to stick it with some masking tape over on both the sides. So first let's do that.
A few moments later.
So guys, now I have sticked it as well, and now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to hide this, and we are going to use the same glitter paper we used over here to hide this. So for that, first let's take some glitter paper. I have taken some glitter paper and I have turned it around, and now we are going to keep it over here like this, and we are going to mark how much portion of the glitter paper are we going to need. So first let's do that. So I have measured it out. So I would be requiring this much portion of the full A4 sheet glitter paper. So first let's cut it. But before doing that, let's mark the outlines properly. Now after marking it out properly, let's cut it. So guys, now I have cut it and it's fitting properly over here. Now let's stick it. So guys, now I have sticked it, and now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to make these flowers. Now if you guys remember, a while ago I made a video on how to make a flower bouquet. Now the flowers which we used in the flower bouquet are the same flowers which we are going to use in this flower basket as well. So if you want to check that video out, I will give the link in the description, and a lot of you guys loved that video as well. So we are going to use the same flowers we made in that video in this flower basket as well. So you can learn how to make these flowers from there also, but I'm going to teach the same over here as well. So first let's make these flowers. So guys, now first to make our flowers we would require a circle sheet, and once you have this circle sheet, we will take our scissors and we will cut in a spiral like this. And after you cut the spiral inside the circle, what are we going to do is we'll pick it up, and from the very edge we are going to roll this inwards. And once you roll it till here, just leave it a little so it expands, and once you do that, open it and take some glue and apply it on the bottom over here, and we'll just stick it over here like this. Now let's continue doing this. guys, now I have made all the types of flowers we would require to make our flower basket. Now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to stick these flowers onto our flower basket. But before doing that, I even made some of these leaves which are over here. So we are going to stick these leaves and these flowers on our flower basket. So first let's stick them now. But before sticking them, let me tell you can stick them however you want. It should be completely random and it shouldn't be symmetrical. It should be completely random. So our flower basket looks even more better. So first let's stick everything on this. So guys, now I have sticked all of the flowers and all of the leaves as well. Now the last thing what are we going to do is, as you can see, while we stick this glitter paper over here, this came along with it. So for that I have an extra flower with me. So I have this extra flower which I'm going to put over here. So if you have an extra flower, you can definitely put it over here. And if you don't have it, no problem. It would definitely look nice if you won't put it too. So first let's stick it over here as well. So guys, now this flower is also sticked on the other side and our flower basket is ready. So this is how you make a flower basket. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon after you're done subscribing. Thank you for watching.